Hi, my name is Mustan Musaji. I'm from Tanzania. I did my CCNA RNS fast track course in 12 days. Um, I would think the trainers here are fantastic. They have in-depth technical knowledge. My trainer was Mr. Deep Lepcha. Uh, he was technically able to assist me in every aspect of the modules. On several occasions, I would have him continuously repeat module uh, 2-3 times so that I was able to understand the course better. I from the front desk to the administration, they are all very supportive. I would rate this institute one of the best in the world. Thank you very much.